Good morning. So right now is 8 a.m. and we almost ready to leave this place. Today's plan, or wishes I could say, is to drive 400 kilometers. It's an ambitious plan, but we will see if we will make it or not, because always we stopped a lot because of amazing views. So we will see if we could make it 400 kilometers. And also, before leaving, is one thing left to do. I need to check my engine oil level, and yeah, and we're leaving, so I guess I need to check. So as you can see, the oil level is okay, but it's a little bit, it's less than from max, so I think it's okay. Spotted the fall, I spotted the river, and I think it's a fall, but it's huge. I mean, it's very wide, so we will check it from different angle. So we just stopped a regular place side of the road, and we saw the river, and we decided to come here, and we saw so beautiful reflections on the water, because water was so smooth, because no wind, nothing. So yeah, it's totally amazing. We are in the rest parking lot, I believe. I don't know the proper name, but right now is 4 p.m. We drive about 250 kilometers and we stopped for a nap. 30 minutes nap, and we continue. So it was great 30 minutes nap, and we're moving forward. We arrived here at this beautiful lake because we found on the map, navigate to this parking lot, and actually today we drive about 400 kilometers as we wanted, and yeah, I think today is over, and tomorrow we'll see what's on our wish list to see in this region. Actually, we drive through all middle section and into the south Norway, and it's very different contrast between north and middle south, I believe, if I can call it, because in the north is just mountains. Here we can see the land, whereas here is the farming areas, and so on. So different contrast, not so big mountains and so on, like hills or something. So yeah, for today is over. We are going for a rest, and we see you tomorrow.